Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, guys, for your daily energies. We'll be picking for cards for your daily energies, Aquarius, and for your career situation and love energies. So these are the cards for your daily energies, and I'll be picking two cards for your love energy, guys, and two cards for your career. So this is for your career we have here, and this is for your love situation. So what your person feels, or what you feel about this connection, guys. We'll turn the cards now. Aquarius, for your daily energies, it's Nine of Swords, Eight of Cups, Queen of Cups in reverse. So with these cards, guys, the energy, maybe for some of you are in a very stressful situation, guys. Something is troubling you, is troubling your mind. You are feeling really vulnerable, maybe guilty because of some mistakes that you have made, or some kind of conflicts, inner emotional turmoil. Something is stressing you a lot today, guys. The reason may be something with your work, or it may relate to your relationship, guys. So confusions and troubles are eating your mind, and you feel really stressed today. That is what I see here. You just want to run away from the situation, guys. Maybe turn away from this present situation. You are not happy with something, you just want to, or maybe you are focused on something different. Maybe you're not on your life, not on your work, maybe in your inner growth, maybe some kind of spirituality. You may be interested in pursuing something, some activities related to spiritual awakening, something you want to leave your job, leave your present life here, and turn to some other path, maybe for some of you all, guys. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, this may relate to your personal life or in your work. So though things are going well in your work situation, maybe in your heart of hearts you may be troubled, because you may feel that you cannot trust the people whom you are working with. You cannot rely on them. This may relate to your personal life also. Though you are in this relationship with this person, you may not share that loyalty or devotion with this person. Some kind of confusions are there. Some maybe you have made some mistakes, or they have done some mistakes, and that is making you sleepless, or some things are not going so well in your personal life, guys. So that may be the reason that something is stressing you totally. That is what I see here with these cards. And maybe though you are in this relationship with this person, you may be living together, or you may be seeing each other very often, you don't share that deep bond. That is what I see here. Something is missing. Something is missing in your life. You feel that is the reason you are not content with your present situation. You just want to make a turn, go somewhere else, spend some time alone. You don't want this mess. That is what you feel today. Yeah, today, guys. Aquarius, let us see what are the cards for your career situation. So two cards here, guys. Eight of Wands and Four of Cups in reverse. So with these cards here, we see that in your work situation you may be moving in with some new collaborations, something positive coming your way, guys. Some positive development, maybe new projects or some deals you may be signing up, or some new collaboration, or you may be getting new people who may be employees or mentors. Somebody new is coming in, or some projects, something positive which is going to help you. That is what you feel, which is giving that positive push in your work situation, guys. And things are going great, guys. Whatever efforts that you are making in your career, it is pushing you towards that goal, towards happiness. So all that positive things are happening. You are seeing your business growing, or your work giving profits, or your efforts being fulfilled in a positive way. Things are going in a very positive way. That is what I see with these cards. So what is the card for your relationship? We will see what are the cards here, guys. It's 3 of Cups, 9 of Pentacles in reverse. So maybe you are celebrating with this person, or you are having a good time with friends, maybe talking to them, sharing your views about your life, or sharing your troubles, whatever it is. You are what to say, having that companionship or team spirit today. You want to be with this person, or you are spending time with friends, talking to them, communicating with them. That is what I see here, guys. And with this cards also, for you all, guys, maybe for some of you, you may feel that in your in this relationship, just like I said with the previous cards, there is something missing. Maybe that deep connection. Maybe you would have done some mistakes, or you are guilty of some mistakes, or they are guilty of some mistakes. So that is the reason you both feel that something is missing. You don't have that affection or understanding, or that connection like before, maybe because of these mistakes. But you want to overcome those mistakes, maybe, and you are trying to patch things up. So you are trying to spend time with your person. You may be going out with friends, along with your common friends, or you may be going out alone, trying to reconcile with this person. You are trying hard. That is what I see here, to correct this loss of faith, or some kind of trouble in your relationship, guys. So there is some confusion, but I see that you are working towards reconciliation, or overcoming that obstacles, or that hurt feelings, or that guilty feelings, whatever mistakes that you have done. So you are repenting your mistakes. That is what I see here, guys, and trying to maintain that balance and harmony in your relationship. You're working towards that. That is what I see here, Aquarius. And that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. Thanks again. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye, Aquarius.